Good morning, students. We'll continue 4.2 exercise, remaining problems of the indeterminate. Okay, next problem. 12th question. 1x x square. This also show that 1 x square 1 x square 1 is equal to 1 minus x cube whole square. So this is the problem. We'll show that LHS, this value is equal to RHS. This value is equal to RHS. Okay. First you can take LHS value. So once you observe what is the RHS value? RHS value is equal to 1 minus x cube. In the previous problems, all are dependent RHS will consider row operations or column operations depend on RHS. Here 1 minus x cube, how to get no x cube? Actually here no x cube. Suppose here column operation, row operations, C1 minus, suppose here x cube is there means C1 minus C3, C1 gives. So like that we will apply the operations, but there is no x cube. So first of all, this is one of the identity. This is treated as 1 can be written as 1 cube minus x cube. So what is the identity value, resultant value? A cube minus b cube formula. A cube minus b cube formula. A minus b. A cube minus b cube formula. This is a minus b. A square plus ab plus b square. A minus b of a square plus ab plus b square. This also a minus b 1 minus x, a minus b of a square plus ab plus b square. So this is the identity. A cube minus b cube formula is equal to a minus b of a square plus ab 1 into x plus x square. Like that we can expect. So it is possible 1 plus x square. How means suppose either R1 gives R1 plus R2 R3 or C1 gives C1 plus C2 plus C3 is equal to 1 plus x square. We will get this fact, this term, product of this term. So that's why we will apply the operations instead of this one, get 1 plus x square. So that for LHS, apply the operation. C1 gives C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 gives C1 plus C2 plus C3 means C1 gives C1 plus C2 plus C3. So all right in first column. Okay, that is 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. Next x square plus 1 plus x. Next x plus x square plus 1. So this is the first column. This is the first column. What is second column? Second column x 1 x square. Next x square x 1. So this is the third column and this is the second column. So in first column 1 plus x square and x square plus 1 plus x plus x square plus 1. So using the result 1 a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b of a square plus ab plus b square. So that's why you got this one. So in the first column, what is the common term? In all elements of the first column, 1 plus x plus x square, 1 plus x plus x square, 1 plus x plus x square. So say all are same. So take common. Take common from C1. Take common from C1. 1 plus x plus x square. We'll take common from C1. So that is equal to 1 plus x plus x square. So the remaining terms have to take common 1, 1, 1. Next terms x 1 x square x x 1. Okay. Right. In the first column, all elements are 1. Better to consider this column to expand the determinant, and also all ones are there means better to make 0 2 elements of ones to make 0. Then the calculation otherwise the value of the determinant doing easily. Right. Apply operations. R2 gives R2 minus R1. Next term. R3 gives R3 minus R2. Apply the operation. So this is equal to 1 plus x square. First element as it is, you write. Okay. 1 minus 1. R1, R2 gives R2 minus R1. 1 minus 1. Next term. This also 1 minus 1. This is R3 minus R3 gives R3 minus R2. So next term is x. R2 gives R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1. That implies 1 minus x. Next term x square minus x. Next term x square term as it is, you write x minus x square 1 minus x. 1 minus x. So remaining term. What is the remaining terms after taking? This is equal to 1 plus x square, right? 1 minus 1, 0, 0, x. So once you observe here 1 plus x square is there. Actually what we will prove 1 minus x cube means a cube minus b cube formula. Already I told you what is the a cube minus b cube formula? A minus b. A minus b means here 1 minus x. So that's why here also you want already a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab term is there. Still we want a minus b. A minus b is here 1 minus x. From this we will get a minus b, that is 1 minus x. So like that. A minus b means that is 1 minus x. Correct? For that getting a cube minus b cube already is there. This multiple of this one will get answer a cube minus b cube formula. That's why a minus means 1 minus x. So in this term we take out common x. Remaining term 1 minus x minus 1. In this term x minus 1. Third column elements are x square. Here also x common 1 minus x. Here already 1 minus x term is there, right? Okay, we want 1 minus x only. So take common. Take common 1 minus x from R2 and R3. Take common 1 minus x from R2 and R3. Take out common. This is equal to 1 minus 1 plus x square. Okay, one time take common 1 minus x. Second time, second means from third column also take common 1 minus x only. So remaining terms, what are the remaining terms after taking common? What are the remaining terms? Remaining terms are, this is 1, 0, 0. Next, x, 1 minus x are taken common, this value 1. Here is x minus 1 is there. Suppose you want 1 minus x means sign change. Sign change means this is minus x. Here, x square. 1 minus x, after taking 1 minus x, this value is equal to x. And next, here 1 minus x is there. This value is equal to 1. Right. Now we expand the determinant. Expand the determinant. Once you observe, here R3 gives R3 minus R2. Okay, right? Expand the determinant. Once you observe, in which column, in which row, more zeros is there means better to consider that in the row or column to expand along with that one. Right? Take determinant. Determinant along C1. Determinant expand along C1. So this set is one set a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. This value is equal to a cube minus b cube. So this value is equal to a cube minus b cube. 1 cube means 1 power. So first to write 1 cube minus x cube. Remaining term is 1 minus x. So right 1 r deleting this column and this row, remaining terms 1 x minus x 1. Next one, plus minus for this 0 deleting this row and this column x square minus x1, but 0 into something, that value 0, so that's why not necessary. However, 0 means put 0. So plus this value plus minus plus, so that implies this value is equal to 0 or that also value 0. So this is x. Okay. Still we want 1 minus x of 1 plus x square. Once you check this problem, R2 minus R1, okay. Next R2 minus R1, next x minus x square. Next R3 gives 1 minus 1 x square minus 1. Sorry, this is x square minus 1. Why means R3 gives R3 minus R2, x square minus 1. Right? This is 1 minus x, okay. X square minus 1 means this term is equal to a square minus b square formula. So that implies x plus 1 of x minus 1. Okay, right? After taking common, remaining term, here remaining term minus of x plus 1. Minus of x plus 1. That's why here also change 1 of minus of x plus 1. Here is deleting this column and this row 1 x minus of x plus 1 right minus 1 right. So that's it. So instead of previous x you will do, that's actually R2 use R2 minus R1 and R3 use R3 minus R2, R3 minus R2, x square minus 1. Alright, this is equal to 1 minus x cube 1 minus x. So 1 minus, so actually minus of x plus 1 into x, remaining terms zeros. This is equal to 1 minus x cube 1 minus x minus into minus plus. So that is 1 plus x into x square plus x. Now a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. Otherwise, write like this one. X plus x square, a minus b, a square plus a into b, 1 into b, 1 into x plus b square. This value is equal to a cube minus b cube, Finally, 1 minus x cube whole square, 1 minus x cube whole square. This is the RHS. So show that that value is equal to, what is RHS will show? 1 minus x cube whole square. So this is the RHS, 1 minus x cube whole square, RHS. This is the 12%. Right. Next question, 13th problem. Next, 13th problem. Show that 1 plus a square minus b square 2ab 2b. This is the first column. Second column elements. 2ab 1 minus a square plus b square minus of 2a. Next, minus 2b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square will show that RHS, LHS to RHS, what will show that 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. Correct. 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. This is the LHS. RHS is 1 plus a square plus b square. So problems, these all problems, what I have said, depend on RHS. Okay. Is it possible to any operation like direct operations? Direct operation means R1 gives R1 plus R2 R3, or C1 gives C1 plus C2, or C1 plus C2 plus C3. Suppose you add this all, or C1 gives C1 plus C2 plus C3. It is not get 1 plus a square plus b square. Like that, row operation you can apply also, not get 1 plus a square plus b square. Okay. For that purpose, okay, we want to 1 plus 1 is there, already a square is there. Still you want plus b square in this element. First of all, I consider this element. This element to convert like this one. How to get 1 plus a square plus b square? Here 1 plus a square minus b square only is there. With respect to any column element, this consider with with respect to column operations. So okay, with respect to this one, first corresponding elements only. What are corresponding element? First element. Here first element. So here also first element you consider. So here A B combination is there. This is not possible. Here only B combination is there. Okay, it is possible. C1 and C3 and corresponding elements. You want still b square only. Okay, right? Here minus b square is there. Here minus 2b is there. So that's why I apply the operation. C1 gives C1 minus is there. Here also minus. Suppose you addition operation C1 plus C3 you apply means minus minus that only. So that's why here apply minus of 2b only is there. So 2 you want b square. B square means multiple with b. So that is C1 gives C1 minus b of C3. Now my b into b 2b square minus into minus plus 2b square. So C1 here minus b square plus 2b square value plus b square. Okay, RHS will get like that. Right. One more second operation also will get directly. Consider once you look second column. In second column we will look this one 1 minus a square plus b square like this. 1 plus b square is there, but here is minus a square with respect to any either C1 or C3 is possible. Okay, possible corresponding element p. This is second element. That's why here also the q second element only. Okay, right. Second element 2a is there. Okay, that implies C2 gives solution LHS. C2 gives C2 plus enough. I means here minus here plus. Okay, subtraction is possible. A into C3. A into C3 means A into 2a square. 2a square minus a square plus a square. So you get answer. Okay. So like that your analysis depend on RHS and apply the operations. Okay, right. And apply operations. C1 gives C1 minus BC3. So that implies LHS value 1 plus a square minus b square. Next term. Okay, alright, as is minus of minus plus minus of 2b square. Next 2ab minus 2a into b multiple with b with this third column elements minus 2ab. Next 2b minus multiple with b with C3 all C3 elements b of 1 minus a square minus b square. Right. Now consider second elements. 2ab is there. C2 gives C2 plus AC3. So AC3 means plus is there means already a minus, that implies 2b is there into a 2a. Right. Next up. Second 1 minus a square plus b square plus AC3 plus a into 2a square. Next term minus 2a is there. Minus 2a. This is minus 2a. This is minus 2a plus C2 plus a into C3 element. A of C3 element 1 minus a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Next term minus 2b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square Okay, now 1 plus a square minus b square minus into minus plus 2b square minus b square 1 plus a square plus b square 2ab minus 3ab 0 2b apply minus minus 1. Okay, not take the element of B. So here is B. Multiple with B. Y means B into C3. Alright. Minus B. Minus into minus. Plus B A square. Plus B A square. Minus into minus. Plus B cube. Next 2AB minus 2AB. 0. 2A square minus A square plus A square. So that is 1 plus A square plus B square. Next term. Minus 3A plus A minus A cube minus A B square, right? Next, the third column element as it is, right? Minus 2B, 2A, 1 minus A square minus B square, right? Okay, 1 plus A square plus B square is there. Here 1 plus A square plus B square is there, but not possible to take common, still is there. Once consider the first column element. 1 plus A square plus B square. 1 plus A square plus B square. 0. 2B minus B plus B. B plus BA square plus B cube. Next term. 0. 1 plus A square plus B square. Next term. Minus A plus A. Minus A. Minus A. Minus A cube. Minus AB square. Third column elements. Minus 2B. 2A. 1 minus A square. B square. Right. In this term, y means we want 1 plus A square plus B square. Already here 1 plus A square plus B square is there. It is possible to get 1 plus A square plus B square term. So how to possible means, how to get means, take common B from this term. 1 plus A square plus B square. 0. B common. 1 plus A square plus B square. Next here 0. 1 plus A square plus B square. Here also minus A common. Minus A common. 1 plus A common A square plus B square, and here remaining term minus 2B, 2A, 1 minus A square minus B square, A square minus B square. Okay, from C1, 1 plus A square plus B square, 1 plus A square plus B square term is there, and 0 into this also 0 only. So take common from C1, 1 plus A square plus B square. Right. From C2 also 1 plus A square plus B square, and here also 1 plus A square plus B square is there. From C2 also we take out common. From C1 and C2 1 plus A square plus B square common. Take common 1 plus A square plus B square from C1 and C2, from C1 and C2, right? 1 plus A square plus B square from C1 one time, and next time 1 plus A square plus B square common from C2, okay, right? After taking common, what are the remaining elements in the determinant? In the determinant, what are the remaining elements? Here is 1, 0, B. Next one. Here is 0, 1, minus A. Here remaining elements minus 2B plus 2A, 1 minus A square minus B square. So this is the remaining element. Okay, choice yours either along with the first row or along with the first row or first column. Expand the determinant, right? And expand here. Let us this side. Determinant along R1. Determinant along R1. So that is 1 plus A square plus B square into 1 plus A square plus B square. So 2 times A plus like A into A square like that. 1 plus A square plus B square whole square bracket. First element 1 of remaining terms along with the R1. 1 of deleting this row and this column remaining terms L values determined. 1 minus A, this is minus A, minus A, 2A, 1 minus A square minus B square. Next term minus 0 of anything, 0 of this column and this row you delete remaining, but however 0 is something 0, no need. Next term plus 1 minus 2b of right here, otherwise arrange this also. Okay, minus 2b, actual plus already there, minus is there, minus 2b of deleting this row and this column remaining 0 b 1 minus a close bracket, right. 1 plus a square plus b square whole square, 1 into this one, 1 minus a square minus b square, 1 into that one, that only, minus of minus 2a square minus, but minus already is there, minus 2a square, 0 something 0, not accepted, right. Next term 2b of 0 into something 0 minus b bracket close. Next term 1 plus a square plus b square, 1 minus a minus b square minus into minus plus 2a square, this is a square minus into minus plus 2b square, remaining term 1 plus a square plus b square whole square, this is whole square, 2a square minus a square plus a square, 2b square minus b square plus b square, that implies 1 plus a square plus b square. So finally this value is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. This is the RHS. So this value is equal to shown here 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. So 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube, this is the RHS. The 12th, 13th problem. Okay. Next, 14th problem. Show that a square plus 1, 2ab, 2b, 2ab, 1 minus a square plus b square. Sorry, same problem. 30 this is. AB, CA, AB, B square plus 1, CB, AC, BC, C square plus 1, C square plus 1 is equal to 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. So 14, last this one, do this homework. 15. So here is 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square is the RHS. How to get that value? Okay, we'll try this problem. Okay, let 15. Let A be a square matrix. A be a square matrix of order 3 by 3. Then determinant of Ka is equal to first option, multiple choice question, K into A, B second option, K square into A, third option, K cube of A, fourth option, 3K of A, 3K of A. Okay, see. A be a square matrix of order 3 by 3, K into A. Actually, this is the determinant. Okay. Suppose 2 into or suppose you take K only, K into A11, A12, A21, A22. This is the matrix. Matrix you multiply with, so K multiple with all elements. Or take common. Take common from this matrix. What is this answer? This answer is K of A11, A12, A21, A22. Enough. But determinant not like that. So it is possible only K take common either any one row or any one column. For example, suppose say like this, we take K of A11, A12, K of A13, K of A21, K of A22, K of A23, K of A31, K of A32, K of A33. So far it's like this. In determinator is possible taking common either any one row or any one column only. So choice one. Suppose take common from R1. Okay, remaining elements A11, A12, A13. Right. Next one more K take common from R2. That is A21, A22, A23. One more K common. That implies A31, A32, A33. So that is, let it be, this is K of like this one. So take common, this value is for determinant of A. Therefore, K cube into det A. K cube into det A. First, before we take let A is equal to that A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A23, sorry, A22, A23. Why we say that A is square by some part of 3 by 3. Asking order 3 by 3 means we also taking 3 by 3. Next, A31, A32, A33. So this one, like this K multiple with this one, I'm taking common. So K times. So that's why for this is the important formula. What is the answer? Resultant answer? K cube into that A. Suppose order n by n. Order n by n. Order is n by n. Let A be a square matrix of order n by n. Then n determinant of NA, determinant of NA is equal to, otherwise the answer, determinant of K into A, n by n. That implies how much order of the matrix determinant value n by n. Here 3 by 3 is that one. 3 times will be possible. N by n means n times taking common. That is K power n into that A. K power n into that A. So this is the formula for this determinant of Ka of order. Either 3 by 3, either 2 by 2 K square, 3 by 3 K cube, n by n K power n. So this is a multiple choice question. 15th. Next 16. Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? 16th multiple choice question. Determinant is a square matrix. Determinant is a square matrix. First option. Second option. Determinant is a number. Determinant is a number associated to a matrix. Third option. Determinant is a number. Determinant is a number associated determinant is a number associated to a square matrix Fourth option. None of these. So this is the another multiple choice question. So we'll try this problem using dependent concept. Once you observe the definitions of the determinant and once you revise the determinant of the for what type of matrix you consider determinant, and next determinant is a number. Already we explained this one. Determinant is a square matrix, that also explained. And next determinant is a number associated to a matrix. A definition of the determinant already explained. Determinant is a number, a real number or a complex number. Some number. Can next see determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. So once you read in this only answer is you can observe. So that's why you do this one. And last option none of them. It is not possible means this is the last option none of this. So like this is the very important exercise 4.2. Its weight is 4 marks. Compulsory question, 4 marks question. So okay students, once you revise and practice this exercise properly and compulsory question from this exercise. Uh, Thank you. I will continue next class and next concept. Already we discussed area of triangle, and after this one the concept area of the triangle and exercise 4.3 also completed, and that also once revised, and next minus cofactors, that concept, and continuation exercise and problems and some theorems are there. We will discuss in next class. Thank you.